I have never eaten such delicious eggs with tomatoes before. And honestly, once you try this recipe, you'll never go back to your regular breakfast again. This is one of those recipes that looks simple, but the taste is on another level. It's quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying. Make sure you watch till the end, because the final result is something you'll definitely want to try today. First, take 3 medium-sized fresh tomatoes. Wash them properly and cut them into small cubes or slices, whichever you like. Tomatoes are one of the best ingredients you can use in your daily diet. They are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and lycopene, which helps protect your body from many diseases and keeps your skin fresh and glowing. When you cook tomatoes, their flavor becomes even richer and slightly sweet, which makes this dish taste amazing. Now place a frying pan on medium heat and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is known as one of the healthiest oils in the world. It contains good fats that support heart health, improve cholesterol levels, and help your body absorb nutrients better. When you use olive oil in cooking, it not only enhances the taste but also makes your meal healthier. Let the oil warm up gently so it releases its natural aroma. Next, take 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and chop them into very small pieces. Garlic is like a natural medicine. It strengthens your immune system, helps fight infections, and improves digestion. It also adds a very strong and delicious aroma to your food. Add the chopped garlic into the warm oil and sauté it lightly. As soon as you start smelling that amazing garlic fragrance, you'll know this dish is going to be special. Now take 1 red bell pepper. Remove the seeds and chop it into small pieces. Capsicum not only adds a vibrant color to the dish, but also gives a slight crunch and sweetness. It is rich in vitamins A and C, which are excellent for your eyesight and skin health. Add the chopped capsicum into the pan with the garlic and mix everything well. Let it cook for a bit so it softens slightly. Now it's time to add the tomatoes you prepared earlier. Add them into the pan and mix everything gently. Let them cook on medium heat until they become soft and start releasing their juices. This step is very important because it creates a rich and flavorful base. The combination of garlic, capsicum, and tomatoes creates an amazing aroma that fills the kitchen. At this stage, you can already see how colorful and appetizing this mixture looks. This is the kind of food that not only tastes good, but also feels good for your body. Now add your spices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar balances the acidity of the tomatoes and enhances the overall flavor of the dish. Mix everything slowly and let it simmer. When spices blend with the vegetables, the flavor becomes deeper and more satisfying. While this is cooking, take a small bowl and grate some cheese using a grater. You can use mozzarella or any hard cheese you prefer. Cheese adds richness and creaminess to the dish. It also provides calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. When melted, cheese gives this dish a smooth and delicious texture that makes every bite enjoyable. Sprinkle the grated cheese directly on top of the mixture while it is still in the pan. Let it melt slightly into the vegetables. At this point, the mixture becomes creamy, flavorful, and very tempting. Now comes the most important and satisfying part. Carefully crack 5 to 6 eggs directly into the pan. Make sure you do not break the yolks. Keeping the yolks whole not only makes the dish look beautiful, but also keeps the texture perfect. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein. They help build muscles, improve brain function, and keep you full for a longer time. Gently place each egg over the mixture. Sprinkle a little salt on top and then add the remaining cheese over the eggs. This creates a rich layer that melts beautifully and covers the eggs with a creamy texture. Now cover the pan with a lid and let everything cook on low to medium heat. This slow cooking method helps the eggs cook evenly while keeping the yolks soft and creamy. The aroma at this stage is absolutely irresistible. While it's cooking, just imagine how perfect this dish is for your daily breakfast. It contains protein from eggs, vitamins from vegetables, and healthy fats from olive oil. This combination gives you energy, improves your mood, and keeps you active throughout the day. After a few minutes, carefully remove the lid. You'll see a perfectly cooked dish: soft eggs, melted cheese, and juicy vegetables. The colors, the texture, everything looks just perfect. Now take some fresh coriander leaves, chop them finely, and sprinkle on top. This adds freshness and enhances the flavor even more. Now gently cut the dish into portions directly in the pan. You can see how soft and cheesy it looks from inside. Transfer it to a plate and serve it hot. Look at this. Soft eggs, creamy melted cheese, and juicy tomatoes. This is pure comfort food. Every bite is full of flavor and nutrition. This recipe is not just about taste, it's also about health. If you include this in your breakfast, it can help improve your energy levels, support your immune system, and keep you full for hours. It's perfect for anyone who wants a quick, healthy, and delicious meal. Try this recipe today and you'll absolutely love it. Once you make it, it will become one of your favorite breakfasts.